Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. Today is another video. We're going to cast off my sinking fan, which will be the last one for this month. Yes, sinking fan is one of the categories in the budget system that I love so much. I really do. So coming this month, I'm going to talk about sinking fan a lot. So watch out for those videos. But today, keep watching. Hi, hello. This is your girl Josy. How are you doing? I hope you guys are doing very well. We are starting a new month. I'm so excited because I'm trying to change a lot of stuff on this channel, and I'm praying, thinking about it, trying to organize, do my calendar planning to see how it will fit in my schedule. I still work 9 to 5. I have a small business. I have kids. And life is lifing. But I know God is in control. Now let's dive into today's video. We're going to cast off my sinking fan. Like I said, coming month is all about sinking fan. So if you're excited about sinking fan, leave in the comment below. I'm going to tell you all about sinking fan, how you can save it, how you can set it up, so that it will fit for your family, because I'm dealing with a large family here and I'm still having single fan winning. So watch out for that video. Watch out. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, make sure you do that so that you don't miss all those videos from me. I'm still going to do my regular videos like savings challenges for sure. I'm going to tell you guys what I'm doing about that. I'm also going to share I'm also sharing on my other channel 90 days like meal prepping, resetting my immune system and all that stuff. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Trust me, a lot of fun. So now let's dive in. I don't want to take much of your time. I hope everybody is doing very well. I want to start a new month with some kind of excitement, knowing that it's already done in the name of Jesus. So let me bring my binder out. As you all know, this is my binder. That's my sinking fan binder. Yeah, I love this binder. Look at how it is. I've added a lot of envelope, but still, this wallet can contain it. I still have some of this wallet on my channel. So for those of you who have been asking, yes, I still have a few. It's Labor Day sales, 25%. You won't get it anywhere. Grab your copy before it's gone, okay? You can get it. I'll put my dashboard here. I'm sure you guys cannot see, but let's see. Let's do it like this. Then let's put the dashboard here so that I'll follow it. Okay, so I normally do the update. I'll do it after I'm done with the video. No, I think, yeah, I'll do it after I'm done with the video. So birthday is getting $20. Back to school is getting 20. Back to school is empty, so we are starting all over again for back to school. And I'm going to talk more about it when I start a new series about sinking fan. That one is starting with $20. Valentine is getting $5. This one is coming year Valentine. I don't want to miss it. Me and my husband normally go out. It's one of the celebrations that we do. We go out. Family fun is 20. Blessing is 20. 10, 20. Okay, self-care is also getting 20. I can't wait to see how much I'm going to have in my self-care by the end of the year, because I have a lot of plans for this self-care. A lot of plans. For Christmas is getting 20. I kind of have money for Christmas, but I'm saving towards it because I cannot predict how much I'm gonna spend this year. So more money wouldn't hurt. When it's left, it goes into my debt. So that's fine. For HMO and trash, it's getting 40. For this one, there are 2 of them, and I paid about, HMO is about 150, trash is mostly about $500. It's quite a lot of money. So I'm putting 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 40 going here. Okay, RS license is getting 20. I just renewed one of my licenses this year. Car maintenance is getting 20. I have a problem with one of our cars, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to spend this money, but let me put money in it. House maintenance is getting 20. Car registration is getting 20. Leaf collector is getting 20. Miscellaneous is getting 20. No, I made a mistake. Recollector is getting 15. Miscellaneous is getting 20. And I'll go ahead and do the family one, which that one, each of us is getting $1. Then whatever is left, I'll put in my other envelopes. So $1, so I'll take this and put $5. I've made up my mind, each time I get paid, everybody get $1, because we are not using this money for quite some time, so I'm sure I will save getting $1, so I'll put $5. My mom is getting $3 extra, so let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So $3 extra will be 15. 1, 2, 3. So that's 15. Okay, so he's getting $1. So that'll be $5. Nana is getting $1. So that'll be $5. Erody. $5. 𝒂𝒓𝒄𝒉 is getting $1. Junior is getting $1. So I added $10. So that's for that one. I can go ahead and record that one because that one is easy. So how's it 29 family. I added 10, so we have $50. So I'll put that one here. That's my tracker for just for the family. Then let me see how much money is left if I can do my family fund here. Normally this family fund is what, if you want to give something to somebody, then we might have to attend to this. So which I'm sure we're going to use it before the year end, whichever money we are putting in here. So let me see how much money I have and see how much I can put in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I do have $30. So I can do, let's say 25, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so 25 goes in here. Let me get a marker to shade this. Make sure I know I did that one. Okay. I think I'm gonna do some change for my bag, my bank bag, so that I'll have like maybe $5 and stuff instead of the $1. So I'll take 25. Do a change, then I'll put it back. This is my bank bag that I take it to. Okay, so that's 25. So we'll put that one here. This one I bought it from Sweet Kiki. I think that's the sister shop. I'll leave the link in my description below. I hope I'll remember. Okay, then let's do this one. We have $5. So let's go ahead and do that one. My macro, so $5. Okay, so that's all for my singing fun. I'll go ahead and record them later. So that's my singing fun. For those of you who are new here, this is all my singing fun. It's a lot, so I can't wait to share with you guys what I'm talking about here. So thank you so much for watching me today. I really appreciate everybody. I will see you guys in my next video. Go and be grateful. I'll see you later. Bye.